Day number 4 post-hurricane, still no electricity. Ocho Rios side of Jamaica, so the north side of the island. Heard only about like 45% of Jamaica actually has electricity right now. That's probably because percentages of them have generators or solar power. So because of that, that allows them to have electricity. However, on this side of the island right now, majority of it is blacked out, with the exception of the people who are running on generators and solar. I've been cooking since 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, it started with a flashlight because all of the ice in my cooler completely melted. Yesterday's search for ice was a fail. I didn't find any ice anywhere. A lot of places are out. So today the search for ice will begin again. However, until I can find some ice, I'm gonna have to just buy meat day by day if I want fresh meats that have to stay cold. Or I have to eat like tin foods, which, I mean, I'm really trying to stay away from tin food. I really don't like to have like that processed, you know, all that stuff in my body. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But let me show you what I'm cooking. So we're frying fish, curry chicken, boiling some banana and potatoes, and we got some turkey necks in the back. No food going to waste around here. Even if I have to give it to my neighbor. We eating, okay? Breakfast is served. Ice update, there's no ice. Stopped in about 4 different locations in Ochi. No ice to be found. Even all like the little secret hidden backdoor ice spots. So when I get home, I have some hot dogs and sausages. The whole community about to get a whole bunch of hot dogs and sausages. Hey, it's better than going to spoil, right? Day 4 recap. Mission